Hi friends, hearty welcome in my YouTube channel Learn English Language with Sarjarao Patil. Yesterday we have learned the poem Basketful of Moonlight. Today we are going to discuss English workshop activity and margin question of Basketful of Moonlight. First of all, I would like to discuss margin question for discussion. If you read the whole poem, you can easily find out the answer of these questions. Look at the first question, first margin question. What does the poet wish to get from the moon and why? If you read the first two stanza, you will get the answer. And answer is the poet wishes to get a basketful of seeds of moonlight from the moon, because he wants to sow seeds of moonlight on the sides of the path to enlighten the way from the city to his village. Now look at the second question, second margin question. Why is the road from the city to the village dangerous? If you read the poem, you will find the answer easily. Answer is the road from the city to his village is very dangerous because the road is dark, tough, and full of snakes and scorpions. Now look at the third question. Why does the poet want his father home early? Answer is the poet wants his father home early because he wants to hear fairy tales and stories from his father. Now look at the fourth question. How do you spend your evening time with your family members? Answer is I spend my evening time with my family members in joyous mood. I play different games with brothers. I discuss on various issues with my parents. Sometimes I go for evening walk with my grandfather. It is a personal thinking question, is a personal response question. You can write in a different way also. You can write at least 3 to 4 sentences for this question. Now look at the English workshop activity. First activity is complete the sentences with the help of the poem. First sentence, sentence A, the child wants to show small moons of light from, answer is city to his village. Second, according to the child, the route of his village is tough and full of, answer is snakes and scorpions. C. The child wants a basket full of moonlight. Answer is on loan. And last sentence. The child wants to light the dark route so that his father returns early. Answer is father returns early. Now look at the second activity. Write down the describing words used for the following nouns. Nouns are given there: moons, route, village, morning. You have to find out describing word from the poem. Answer is first one is small moons, top route, whole village, and last one is early morning. Now look at the third activity. The child in the poem wants to solve the problems of his village. How can the child solve them with the following wishes? Answer in your notebook. First wish is give me a give me moonlight basketful or two baskets full with seeds of moonlight. Answer is the child wants to solve the problems of light of electricity. The linking road between his village and city is without light. He wants to enlighten that road. So he requests to the moon to give him one or two basketful of moonlight. He will sow the seeds of moonlight on both sides of road. As a result, all villagers can return home early and spend more time with their children and families. Now look at the second wish. What is the second wish? B. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. Answer is the child wants to light the dark route so that his father returns early and spends more time with him. By lighting up the path, the villagers can come home quickly and spend more time with their families. Also, the poet will be able to hear fairy tales and stories from his father. This is the second answer. Now look at the fourth activity. Pick out and write the lines from the poem that prove the following. First sentence A. Father reaches home late after dark. Answer is when my father returns home, I am asleep. This line prove that father reaches home late after the dark. Now look at the second line, eager to hear fairy tales from his father. Answer is, I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. Now look at the third sentence, remove darkness and bring light among the darker paths. Answer is, I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. Now look at the next activity. Activity number 5. Write as many words as you can using FUL as a suffix. Basketful. Answer is basketful, bucketful, hopeful, careful, dutiful, joyful, cheerful, grateful, delightful, wonderful, blissful, beautiful. Activity number 6. Pick out the examples of alliteration and repetition from the poem. Alliteration. Now look at first sentence. Basketful or two basketful. The initial sound B is repeated, therefore it is an example of alliteration. Second, oh moon, give me moonlight. This is an example of also alliteration. Third one, the route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. This is an example of alliteration. If you read the whole poem, you will find different poetic devices used in this poem. We will discuss later on. Second, repetition. Small, small moons of light. Here the word small is repeated. So it is an example of repetition. Now, next two activities. Activity number 7 is related to appreciation. We will take another session for appreciation. And activity number 8 is related to writing skill, letter writing. We will discuss these two activities in separate sessions. I hope all of you understood the whole poem, the central idea of this poem, and you can understand the English workshop activity in detail. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.